guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I've crocheted so far. I started crocheting I think like a month and some change ago, maybe 2 months ago, and I've done a few things. I'm not the best just yet, but I have a few things that I can show you guys now, so let's get started with the video. So I'm going to start with the first thing I've ever attempted to crochet, which is this right here. You're probably looking at this, you probably know what it is, but you're also like, what is this? So my attempt was to make a beanie. Yeah, this was an attempt to make a beanie, but that didn't work out. So I was like, oh, you know what, I'll just unravel it, because like as you can see it got like stuck here, so I couldn't like put it on like regular. So like, oh, I'll just take it apart and start over. But my mom decided, hey, it can actually be worn as a scarf. So here it is as a scarf. And yeah, so I ended up just giving it to her. Yeah, it's made with double crochets, as you can see. Yeah, it took me a lot longer than I should have, but it was like the first thing I've ever tried to do, so yeah. Now I'm not sure the exact order of everything I made. I'm just gonna go with what I think. So next I have this flower. See there. Now I was supposed to make another half of it so that I can like sew them together to make a keychain, but I ended up just making one. I'm not exactly sure why, but yeah. And as you can see, sorry, this right here, this petal is like bigger than all the other ones because I like messed it up. That's also a part of the reason that I didn't make another one, because I was like, I just have to make another flower because I messed this one up so bad. Well, not so bad, but like I would have to make it match that. Yeah, but the stitch for this is actually pretty nice. I don't know what exactly it's called, but it's a nice stitch, and it was difficult. My hand was like hurting trying to do this. Here's how the back of it looks, and the yarn I was using was pretty hard to work through. Sugar and cream, I'll put a picture of it here. That's the yarn I used, and it's like really tough to work with, so that's why my hand was hurting so much while making this. This took me like maybe an hour or 2 or 3. Yeah, not so bad. All right, next up I have these headbands that are so cute, and the pattern makes it look like it's like so difficult, but it's the easiest thing to make. It took me like 3 hours, maybe 2 hours. Let me not, maybe like 3 or 4, but yeah. One of the ones that cross in the front. So here's this one, it's in yellow. Get a close-up of the pattern. As you can see. Nice. This one was made for me, and then it was made for my mom. And as you can see right here, I added a little band around it rather than it just be like this. So hold on, let me try to show you guys like this. Okay, like this. See the difference? It also warms my ears like during when it was colder outside. Here it is on my head. I love this. It's actually really cute, and it covers my ears so that in the winter you don't have to wear earmuffs. You just wear this. I just think it's so cute. So yeah, here it is on my head. I also like this one. I like the rainbow colors. I just think it's so pretty. Okay, something that's really trending in the crochet community are the cat beanies. So the first thing that I ever tried to crochet, the thing that was supposed to be a scarf. It was actually supposed to be a cat beanie, but as you saw, that didn't work out. So I picked up some more crochet and I tried again, and I did it. So here's mine. This is my rainbow one, and I love this hat so much. Here's a picture or a few of me wearing it. I just am in love with this hat. I can't try it on for you now because but yeah. For the first one I tried to make, I did the bottom. Let me try it. I did the bottom, and then I tried to connect the bottom and then do a round, but that didn't work. So I just went with do a line, chain, and then turn your work. Do a line, chain, turn your work. And that came out way better. I also made one for my sister. Here it is. This one's in yellow. The bottom part's like messed up. Hold on. Okay, yeah, here it is. It's in yellow. And again, oops. Here's a picture of her wearing it. So this same thing, I did double crochets and then chain one, turn the work, and that actually went by so fast. Like, I think you can do these in like, I'd say like 2 hours, like, or an hour, you know, depending on how fast you go. It's so easy. Now these things right here, I'm not really sure what the purpose of me making these was, but I'm just going to show you anyway because it's everything I've crocheted. So I'm just going to show you. We have a random ball. I think the goal was an octopus, and I just never got around to doing the legs. So, but the pattern on it is actually pretty cute. And I stuffed it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have much to say about this. It's just, I should have stuffed this with like stuffing or something. Definitely not. I stuffed this with paper, which made it all lumpy and ugly. So that's what I've learned from that experience. We just have this row of nothingness. This looks like double crochets as well. I'm not exactly sure what I was trying to make here. That looks about right, I think. Yeah, and I don't have much to say about this because I don't really know what I was going for. Next, I have this very unfinished project, which is a shame I didn't finish it because it would actually be so cute if I finish it. Maybe one day I will, but I don't know. I just got frustrated. So it's supposed to be a tote bag, so I'm supposed to sew all these together. But as you can see, I sewed this upside down, and it happened a few times. Like one time I kept doing it wrong, like sewing one of them on backwards or upside down. So I was just like, you know what, this is supposed to be a bag, so I did this side, and then I have the granny squares for the other side, but I just never finished it because I just kept getting frustrated. But maybe one day I'll finish it. And this is my first attempt at doing granny squares. They're actually not too bad. I think I did pretty good. Yeah, the heart is pretty cute, like really cute. I like it. Yeah, my first attempt at a granny square. And maybe one day I'll put them together and actually make the bag that I was aiming for. Well, actually, this one's cuter. Maybe one day I'll actually put them all together and like make the bag I was planning on, but for now, moving on. I have a lot more than I thought. I like reading, so I made bookmarks for myself. Here's my first ever attempt at making a bookmark. They're supposed to be leaves. This one, not too bad, looks like a leaf. But this one, I don't see where the leaf went wrong. Like, it's just not a leaf. It's too tight. And I did hearts instead. So it's so cute. Look at this. So cute. I made a few of these. This one was for my mom. I made one for me, my mom, my sister, and my mom's coworkers. It's rainbow colored. See my little heart. Yeah, I like it. It's nice and pretty and vibrant. Oh, and they have these little, oh, not this one, but this one. These two have like little balls at the end. It's a cute touch. They're really cute and very easy. Like I made like 6 in like an hour. I think I took a picture of all the ones I made, so here they are. But yeah, moving on. Next we have a heart that I just didn't finish. I guess this was supposed to be one of the hearts for the granny squares and I just didn't finish the heart. So yeah, look how I really like this pattern. Like it's like really cute. I'd like to just give you a jump scare warning for this next project because it's so ugly. So first I went to Michael's and I saw this. It's a book of patterns for these animal things. So I was like, hey, I'm breathing so hard, sorry. So I went in. Here's what I was attempting to make. This pig. Now let's just look again. This is my attempt. And here's what I made. It's so bad. Like the nose is like it's just so bad. And then I got safety eyes, but I got them in the wrong size. So it looks demonic. Like this is so bad. But at least I stuffed it with the right material. He just looks scary. Doesn't even look like a pig. What is this? And then, but here's what did come out cute. An ear. He looks like that pig Olivia. Look at this. Look. You see the vision. You see it. The ear actually came out fine. But I have nothing to attach it to now because I messed up the pig pretty bad. Here's my very failed attempt at a pig. At least he has a nice personality, okay? So this I'm actually very proud of. And it'll be really cute once I finish it. It's a little cropped like top thing. I haven't been able to finish it yet because I need to buy more yarn of this color. One of the arms is short because, as I said, I need to buy more. So here it is on me. I went to buy yarn to continue to make it, and I got this. And as you can see, these two colors don't match. They almost match, like just barely. And if I use this, I'll be able to tell because I'm not colorblind. Like I'll be able to tell, and I just will get irritated. This thing I don't physically have in my possession anymore because I gave it as a gift, as a birthday gift. So here's a picture of my friend wearing them. So they're supposed to be fingerless gloves. It was honestly kind of hard because it was always something. It was when the project was shrinking and I couldn't, or the thumb was too tight, or I just kept messing up, so I had to keep going. It took me like a week to finish these, and it shouldn't have because they're so small and so easy. But and the stars on top, they don't look too great. But like I said, I'm a beginner, okay? I would definitely like to try to make them again, but I personally don't wear fingerless gloves, and I don't know who I would make them for, but maybe in the future I'll try again. These two are just things that I forgot to put in the video or things that I've crocheted since, so yeah. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to my channel for more videos, please. So let's hope I can continue this productive recording, editing, posting. Bye.